Hello artists, it's Miss Dunn here with today's art challenge. Today we're going to be inspired by Victor Nunez, a Brazilian artist, to make a found object drawing. So he took different objects from around his house, whether if it was a piece of food or just a simple object or even things from nature, and he creates them into different drawings. So I'm excited to see what you make today, and here are some of his. He makes some really cool things and I can't wait to see what you make today. So let's get started.
Today we're going to be making a picture with found objects. First, you need to find some objects that you would like to use for your picture. It can really be anything. You will also need a piece of paper and your imagination. First, place your paper down and start arranging the objects on your paper. You can move them around however you wish, and to be honest, you might change your mind as you're using them and switch it around, and that's okay too. Next, you're going to need your pencil and your imagination. Start designing and adding some details around your found objects to make them into things. It's okay to move things around or change your mind as you're drawing. As I was drawing mine, it turned into something totally different. Next, use a pen or some type of permanent marker and trace over your drawing so it's nice and bold. You can go ahead and move your found objects as you're tracing because it makes it easier. What's so fun about making these is you can totally change things along the way. So again, it's okay to erase and change things up as you wish as you're tracing. Give your paper a good erase when you're done. You can move your objects off the page if it's easier. It's really up to you, and then just rearrange them back on top when you're finished. After you're finished setting it up, it's time to take your final finished photo. Great job. I can't wait to see yours.